Hi, I am Leda from Thiruvananthapuram district. There are 5 members in my family. They are my mother, my husband, my children and me. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. My son is ITA student. My daughter is +1 student. I am a teacher. I have been teaching since 2008. I have to teach my students English language. I couldn't interact with them in English, so I joined in a spoken English course. Reading and listening music are my hobbies. My long-term goal is speaking English fluently. Thank you.